Meaning of dilation.
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 Dilation. Dilation is a mathematical operation that is commonly used in image processing and computer vision. It involves expanding the boundaries of an object in an image by adding pixels to its edges. This process can be achieved by using a structuring element, which is a small binary image that is moved over the original image and compared with its pixels. The result of dilation is a new image where the objects have expanded borders and are more connected. This operation can be used to smooth or sharpen an image, enhance features, or perform other manipulation tasks.